Hi guys, welcome to Wesbytes channel. My name is Hong Hong. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase a Linux OpenVZ VPS with first Wesbytes. Right, so let's get started. Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a Linux OpenVZ VPS, which is known as Containers with first Wesbytes. Alright, so first we go to our wesbytes.com, and then we go to our Wesbytes website and we go search for VPS hosting here. Okay. And then we click on the Linux VPS OpenVZ. Alright, so and then we just scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, so at the here we can see you got the several OpenVZ VPS plan available for you to choose. Alright, so as you can see here, and the specification is listed as well. Okay, so you can choose for the package you want to purchase. Right, and for this demonstration purpose, I will just simply choose for the VPS one. Okay, so I click on Order Now button. Right, so after you click on the Order Now button, it will lead us to this configure page. Okay, so as here, Linux VPS 1 and CT is meant for containers, right? So which is our OpenVZ. Okay, as at the top here you can see you've got to choose the building cycle, right? So for the OpenVZ, the longer time period you choose, the monthly paid will be lesser. Okay, so for the demo, I will just click for 12 months, right? Okay, so next then we go to configure server here. Okay, so for the first one, which is the hostname, so you need to type in your hostname in here. Okay, so just a reminder, for the hostname cannot have the spacing in it. Alright, so and then next we go to root password. Okay, so for the root password, it needs to consist of at least 8 characters and also alphanumeric and upper and lowercase. Okay, so you need to type in your root password. Okay, and then if you have the prefix name you wanna add, you also can add in these two columns. So for the NS, it stands for name server, which is name server 1 and name server 2. Okay, so for this demo, I will just simply type NS1 and NS2. Okay, so let's say if you want to change your prefix name in the future, you also can do so after you purchase the product or services. Okay, then next we go to configurable options here. Okay, so for this part, basically everything is fixed, right? So except for the IP address. Okay, so as you can see here, got the 1 CPU core included. Okay, 1 GB memory RAM included also. Okay, and 20 GB disk space, and also 100 MB share bandwidth. Okay, and for the IP address, okay, if you want to add on the IP address, you also can do so by selecting this list. Okay, you can add on 1, 2, 3 or 4 IP addresses. Okay, so of course the additional IP address will be charged according to this list as well. Okay, and that's for the IP address. And then next we go to the operating system, which is OS. Okay, so for the OpenVZ, we have CentOS, Ubuntu and Debian. Okay, so each operating system has different version, so you can choose for the version you want. Right, so after choose your OS, and then you can just click on the continue button. Alright, so after you click on the continue button, it will lead you to this page, and you can check your host name here. Okay, you can check on your product and specification listed here. And if you have the promo code, you also can enter a promo code here. Okay, then you can have your promo discount. Okay, so after you check everything, and then you just click on the checkout button here. Okay. Alright, so after you click on the checkout button, it will lead you to this checkout page. And in this page, you need to fill in your personal information, your billing address, and as well as your account security, which is your password. Okay. So for the personal information, you need to fill in your names, your phone number, your email address. And for the email address, it need to same as your email address, you use it to activate your OpenVZ VPS. Right. So let's say if you face some problem in the future, you contact to our customer service, so our customer service can verify the ownership according to this email address. Right. So then next you need to fill in your building address. Okay. So for here, you need to select your country first before you can select your state. Right. So it's a reminder. Okay. So and then next, which is the account security. So for the account security, is same, also need to consist of at least 8 characters, also alphanumeric and upper and lower case. Okay, and has to be a strong password. Okay. Alright, so as I already registered before, so I click on this already register button. Okay. So I will log in into my email. Alright, so and below here you can see the payment detail, right? And this is your payment due for your product purchase. Okay, and at the down here got the method of payment. Right. So as now we have 2 methods of payment. So which is one is paid by the debit or credit card, right, or PayPal Pay. Okay, and the second, which is the Bitcoin checkout. So if you have the Bitcoin wallet, then you can go for Bitcoin checkout. Okay, which is the second option. And if you wish to pay by credit card or debit card or your PayPal account, then you can select the first option. Right. So that's for the method of payment. And then before you continue, just to make sure you have to read the terms of service. Okay. So you need to read the terms of service, and then after you read it, you need to tick on this box. Okay. Right. And then after that, you just click on the complete order button. Alright, so once you complete the payment, then you will need to go to your email inbox to check. There will be few emails sent by the system. Right. So as you can see here, there are few emails sent by the system, which the first one we have the new VPS server information. Okay. So click on it and it will show the detail of your URL, your username, your password, and so on. Right. So you can check it from here, right, all the detail of your server. Okay, so for the second, which is the invoice payment confirmation. Okay. So click on it, and this is for the invoice payment. Okay. Right. So and then the third letter, which is the order confirmation. Okay. So this is just to order confirmation. Right. And then the fourth letter, which is the customer invoice. Okay. So this is the invoice item. Okay. Yeah. And then there will be there will be 5 letters sent by the system. So you need to find for the confirm your registration. So you click on this. Yeah. So you need to access to your VPS. So you need to click on this URL. Right. So you need to find the confirm your registration letter. Okay. So you click on this URL. Then it will lead you to this page. So if you want to check your invoice, you also can check it here. You click on the invoices. Okay, so you can check the invoice here by clicking it, and then you can see the detail of the invoice. So we go back to the client home page. Okay. So now we want to access our VPS, so we go to services. And then we just go to find our OpenVZ, which is a container VPS, and we click on the product name instead of the URL. Right? So click on the product name. Right. So once you click on the product name, it will lead you to this page, and you scroll down here, and you can see here status online. Right? So the first time you log in, it might show offline, and you just need to wait for a few minutes, and it will from offline turn to online status. Right. So once it turns to online status, means that the provision is complete, and you are successfully purchased the Linux OpenVZ VPS. So that's all for the video, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, so now you know how to purchase the Linux OpenVZ VPS progress from this video. So if you still have any question you want to ask, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Alright, bye.